You ever lie awake at 2 a.m., replaying that one awkward thing you said in 2015? Yeah, that's your brain pulling out the emotional slideshow titled Cringe Greatest Hits. Regret is that lovely little mental mixtape your brain makes, uninvited, overdramatic, and always right before bed. But why does it happen? Why can't the brain just delete the embarrassing stuff and move on? Turns out, regret is more than emotional torture. It's powered by the brain's internal drama team. It starts with the orbitofrontal cortex, your brain's what-if factory, constantly comparing what happened to what could have happened. 24/7. It's your brain's what-if factory, constantly throwing popcorn at your decision movie. Then there's the amygdala, the emotional bouncer yelling, "Feel that!" Harder. It adds emotional weight, so you not only remember the mistake, you feel it like a punch to the gut. And the hippocampus, it hoards every tragic memory, ready to throw it at you when you least expect it. Smell a cologne? Hear that song? Boom! Instant regret attack. Thanks, hippocampus. Here's the wild part. Regret actually helps you learn. Brutal, but weirdly useful. But romantic regret, that hits different. It's not just, oops, wrong shampoo. It's, why did I text them hey at 1:43 a.m.? It feels like a documentary narrated by shame, scored by your favorite sad playlist. But here's the upside. Regret pushes us to grow. Eventually, the real danger, when regret becomes your whole personality. That's when it turns toxic. Funny enough, we regret the things we didn't do more than the ones we did. Your brain isn't trying to ruin your life. It's just trying to optimize your future by haunting you with the past. So, can we hack regret? Actually, yeah. Self-compassion, cognitive reframing, and even a well-timed meme can. First tool, self-compassion. That means talking to yourself like you're not a total disaster. Instead of, why am I like this? Try, okay, that was rough, but I learned something. That's cognitive reframing. You're not rewriting history, just seeing it without the emotional jump scare. And memes, weirdly therapeutic. Nothing heals faster than realizing you're not the only idiot out there. Sometimes it helps to just name the regret, give it a nod, and put it down. Regret might knock often, but it doesn't have to move in. You can learn from it and then let it leave. You can't outthink the past, but you can outgrow it. One awkward moment at a time. Sharing your regret with someone who gets it turns shame into connection. Awkward is universal. So yeah, your brain's kind of a dramatic mess, but it's also learning, healing, and slowly letting go. Every time you choose growth over spiraling, you're rewriting your story. No time machine required. And remember, regret may be sponsored by your ex, but you're the one writing the sequel. Look, if you've made it through a mental replay of your worst moments and still went to work the next day, that's strength. Your brain loves to play judge, jury, and inner critic. But guess what? You can object. You don't have to believe every thought that yells at you, especially the dramatic ones. Every awkward mistake you've ever made, it's not wasted. It's documentation that you're evolving. What felt like the end back then is now just a weird story you can laugh about or use in content. Try this. Instead of reliving regret, document the lesson, then move on like the main character you are. Regret only haunts you when you keep turning around. Keep walking. It can't keep up forever. The moment you share your most embarrassing story, everyone suddenly has one too. That's healing. You don't need to be perfect, just a little more aware than you were yesterday. In the end, regret isn't the villain. It's just a weird emotional tour guide pointing at your growth.